I mean, leave it to leave it to Fast and everybody else to find the glitches and get it all borked. Get it all borked. Fast, hello. Oh, awesome. How's your Thursday going? Okay. So bag number 2. We're in bag number 2. We had a little bit of a pause because I was missing a piece and I had to improvise because I don't have an extra piece of that anywhere. That was the most fun you've had all day. Well, I'm glad that we're able to give you some fun. Give you some sort of fun. So what I'm gonna do real quick though is I'm gonna get up, stretch, check on the kids, and use the bathroom real quick. So just give me a couple minutes. I'll be right back, everybody. I'll be right back fast. Catch Starmie. Need to use channel points fast. All right. Starting bag number 2. Points? I will use my channel points.